First, I'm going to wet it down. Second, I pour some Barkeeper's Friend on it. Also, I pre-wet the Brillo pad down. And then I kind of just work it in. I'm only going to do half of the grill. And you want to go with the grain of the metal, which is vertical. Otherwise you'll leave scratches. And that's it. You just slowly work it in. I'm not even pressing real hard. You can see the Barkeeper's Friend. And I'll just do this for a few minutes. And you can see it's bubbling. That means it's working. There's a chemical agent in there. I'll explain at the end of the video what this stuff is. Alright, I just scrubbed the first half. Hopefully this is coming out. I'm going to rinse it off. And you can see the difference it made already. I just did this half too, about 5 minutes. And it brings the stainless steel right back to shiny. You can see that. Here's the difference. And I would wear rubber gloves because the stuff is potent and it makes your skin dry out. But yeah, check it out. So in about 5 minutes, probably like 10 or 20 minutes, you can restore your whole entire grill. Barkeeper's Friend didn't sponsor this video, but this stuff really works. It's cheap. It's like $2 a can at your local store. This is the before and after. It works great. Just remember, go with the grain, otherwise you'll leave scratches. Another great tip, once it dries, wipe it down with baby oil, which is really cheap. It's a mineral oil, which will protect it from rusting in the future. Also, if you could, please subscribe to my channel and help it out, and have a blessed day.